Hi, I'm Redken artist Carrie Bells, Backstage Fashion Week, and we're seeing some really cool hair trends on the runway. Let's send it back to the studio so we can learn how to take these looks from the runway to reality.
Hey guys, so for today's video, I wanted to show you how to recreate this gorgeous braided bun from the runway. This is a beautiful look that you can use on elegant occasions, nights out, or even if you just want something a little bit fancier for every day. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your hair is in a very nice ponytail. So to ensure that my ponytail is sleek and gorgeous, I am using the Frizz Dismiss Flyaway Fix sheets. These are amazing. You can smooth them over your hair at any time. You can just keep them in your purse if you'd like. And this really helps to de-static the hair. Make sure that there's no flyaways and also preps this ponytail for our braid. You want to take this and split it down the middle in the back. From these two parts, we're going to take each one and braid them. I'm just going to secure this with an elastic. Now that you have your two braids, you just want to kind of take your fingers and kind of massage the braid in. This ensures that each of the little knots are about the same size and just kind of look even. Now that I have these two braids, you want to take them and kind of curl them into almost like a cinnamon bun. Just secure that with a bobby pin. Now that my bun is braided, I'm going to make sure that this looks perfect. I'm using the High Shine Airy Mist. This is the diamond oil spray, and this is going to just mist onto the hair to give it a lot of sleek shine, kind of like a glossy finish. I'm also going to be applying some hairspray. This is the Fashion Work 12. This will make sure that everything is held into place without being crunchy, and is also perfect for getting any of those flyaways that may have kind of picked up or gotten out of place while we were braiding. Once that's done, this look is complete. It's the perfect way to rock the runway, either for an elegant night out or just a day that you want to feel a little bit fancier.